kidney failure.
Oh, you
and
need
all
kidney
that.
restore. Man, okay, so look. Pete, I'm gonna do the balance test. Let's set it down first. This is the quantized sea moss, right? I'm gonna sit it right here for a second. Do the balance test when you put your feet together and your hands like this, or down way down here. Yeah, I'm gonna check your balance, right? All right, let's check your balance. See how much pressure take you to lean. Okay, there you go. Now, hold on to your bottle. Don't drop it now. All right, feet together, same test, right? Ready?
Grinded as can be.
Okay.
I ain't
put
even
it down.
trying. Not trying.
Not even trying. Ain't that some That made me feel like a pump. Like, come on, let's do it again without the bottle. Feet together.
Okay.
All right. Ready? He's 3 times my size. Well, you know, I made him make it come off balance. One more time. This was good. Listen. Ready? Well, keep your hand down here, but try to resist. Like, try to be as strong as you were with that bottle.
Okay.
All right, ready? All right, it ain't working. See, Moss? 1 spoonful of that stuff will do the same thing. You can hold a spoonful in your hand. Ready? I wish y'all can see my muscles flexing. Ooh, it hurts. Peace, love, and light, Quantum. I get y'all some sea moss with Quantum in it.